Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta error code 0 into 0. The game has crashed issue while playing on PC. So if you are also into the same error, just go through the methods discussed here. So the very first method is to restart your PC or console. So for that, click on Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you should also restart your console as well. This will clear the temporary conflicts that can trigger the error. Next solution is to verify or repair game files. So if you are playing the game on Xbox Game Pass, then go to the Xbox Game Pass, then click on three dot icon after opening Call of Duty, then click on manage, then click on files, and here you have to click on verify and repair option. So after verifying the game, now check if the error is resolved. If your game is on Steam, then go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files on Steam, now check if the error is fixed or not. Third solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and then click on run this program as an administrator, and then hit on apply and OK. After that, check if the issue is resolved, or again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply and OK, and after that check if the error is fixed. If not, next is to update your drivers, GPU drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. After that, go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your GPU drivers. After that, check if the issue is fixed. NVIDIA and AMD users can easily update their graphics card by following the link that I have already provided in the description. Next method is to disable compression and optimize storage. So for that, you have to go to the installation folder of Black Ops 7 and click on properties, then go to the advanced. Here uncheck compress contents to save disk space. Also make sure you install the game on an SSD for faster performance. So go to the game folder, that select your game under library section on Steam, manage, then click on browse local files, and go to the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties, now click on advanced, and here you can see compress contents to save disk space as mentioned. Here if it is checked, then you have to uncheck it, click on OK, and after that check if the error is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for Windows updates. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If any update is there, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go to the link that I have already provided in the description, open it in your browser. After opening it, go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading, install them. After installing, restart your PC once. After restarting, now log into the game and check if the error is resolved. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, go through the link that I have already provided in the description, open it. Now after opening it, you need to click on download option. After downloading it, install the DirectX on your system, and after that check if you can play the game without any further error. Next is to repair or reset Xbox or Microsoft Store. For PC Game Pass players, you just need to go to settings and apps, and then click on apps, then Xbox app or Microsoft Store advanced option. So go to the Windows search for settings, now click on apps and click on install apps, and here you can find your game has been installed. Click on three dot icon, then click on advanced. After that, go below and here under reset you need to first click on repair option. After repairing it, click on reset option. So after doing this step, now check if you can play the game without any error. Next is to disable background software. So if there are any background apps or softwares running, you need to disable, like temporarily disable antivirus and firewalls, and also turn off overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience or Steam overlay. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall. This will be uninstall the game from Steam. So if you're in the Xbox Game Pass, then here you have to click on three dot icon and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your system. After uninstalling the game, restart your system. Once after restarting, again reinstall the game, whether in Steam or in Xbox Game Pass, and after that check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.